Moto Plumber. What do you think? Got to do a job in Malibu. It's an hour and 13 with traffic right now. So, and you got to go through the mountains, and getting my big old van with everything in it up through the mountains, it just takes forever, man. So I'm going to give this a try. I've already been to the job, so I know exactly what I need. So normally this wouldn't work, but here's the setup. So I don't have the side bags on yet, but this is my Milwaukee backpack. I can do 70% of jobs just with this. Just little service calls is what this is for. Here's the shower valve I'll be working on. And then after that, I have to do a vessel sink in West LA. So this is the foam from the box. So I'm gonna throw this on the sides here, and to be honest with you, the time I spent visualizing exactly what I need, making sure I have every little thing so I can complete the job, took quite a while. And rigging this up and getting this to stay on here with the straps and putting that in there, it's just, it doesn't make sense to ever do this again, to be honest with you. But you'd be surprised at how much you can fit in these boxes. I got 2 of them, so I don't know, maybe this will become a regular thing. But anyway,